Coffee on 1, car 3177. There was 2 guys fighting in the trails. One guy, he got free. He was saying that the guy has a knife, like a weapon, but he's outside of the train trying to get on, and the other guy who supposedly has a knife is in the trail laying down on the ground.
Yeah, I got one of the parties up in my lead. I guess he's the guy that got attacked. It wasn't a knife, but it was a nightstick.
A nightstick, not a knife. 10-4, and the victim is in your lead.
Yes, that's it, fine.
10-4. And that's the person with dreads and a brown tie-dye?
I'm sorry, you was just talking to me. Say that again?
Is that the person with dreads and the brown tie-dye?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Zone 2 reports of the active 242.
25, I copy. Code 3 from Walnut Creek.
10-4, Central RP reporting an active fight on the trail car. 2 involved. It is reported that 1 has a knife. At this time, we have no further information.
26 from Concord. 25, confirm we're holding that at Lafayette.
Affirm.
S29, copy. I'm in route code 3, start Lafayette.
S29, 10-4.
12 and 13 from MacArthur.
This is for Bart He. It's going to be at the Bart Lafayette Station. RP received a report of a 415 fight, and one of the subjects was armed with a knife. Requesting units to respond code 3 to assist their closest unit's going to be en route from Walnut Creek. They have no further description on either subject, advising it is on board of one of the trains that's holding up platform 1.
And S40, 12 and 13, you can go code 3.
The units en route to Lafayette. Lafayette PD is en route code 3.
25, RP.
Central's RP.
Yes, now we're going 97 Lafayette, with Lafayette PD.
S29, 10-4, and Central's advising that it's no longer active. The victim is in the lead unit with the TO.
10-4, do you have description on the suspect?
Negative, just the victim at this time. White male, tie-dye shirt. And units at Lafayette, be advised it's not a knife, it's a nightstick.
Suspect described BM, multicolored clothing, red and black, blue, with a skateboard. 25, he's saying last seen in the rear train car, and the script is just red and blue, matching shoes.
10-4. Advise on the air.
Yes, and I will take it. We're checking the train now.
10-4, code 32 Lafayette.
25, code 3 medical. I got a head injury.
Medical responding stage to the Bart Station, Lafayette. 3601 Deer Hill Road, 3601 Deer Hill Road, across the Oak Hill Road or North Thompson Road, stage burn assault.
Yes, sir, I will be contacting one.
S29 contacting 1.
25, what I'm getting so far, we got a good 245.
10-4, get 245.
S9, we detained one on car 4306 with the YN. Okay, S29 with code 4, code 34, and if 25 can bring the victim down here for an ID.
10-4, code 34, 49.
25, I copy, I'm doing the admonition right now.
And boy 25, advise on a release.
46, keep the whole thing, crime safe pictures.
26, 10-4.
So, positive ID by the victim.
12, 10-4, positive ID.
25, we're clear to bring medical in whenever they get here. Yes, yeah, copy. They're going to have the train in just a couple minutes here. We're just finishing up second scene.
10-4.
26, I'm done with the train if anybody else needs it. Otherwise, you can release. Yes, yeah, you can release the train.
10-4, release in Lafayette.
25, stand by on that release. Sorry.
And 12 car 3177 is going to need a cleanup due to blood contamination.
And 26, you're on the Nightstick in the trackway. It's 5 car 3177. You're getting out from 7 o'clock.
Boy 12.
We located the weapon, looks like a Nightstick on the south end of number 1 side. I'm going to the station agent to get work orders.
Per L21, Central's going to have an original train go by, and then they'll provide the work orders.
26, you covered the Nightstick. We're clear the trackway.
26 advise what medical's needed for.
The suspect said he got stomped in the head and has bite marks.